Today I'm excited to share how you can unlock free all-in-one marketing software for your business. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine accessing a complete suite of marketing tools, absolutely free for 1 full year, with no credit card required. Managing multiple subscriptions for different tools can be overwhelming and expensive. What if you could replace all those tools with one comprehensive, all-in-one platform that's available for 12 months, completely free? In today's video, I'll explain why this risk-free solution is perfect for startups, small businesses, and entrepreneurs looking to streamline their operations and save money. Many of us struggle with juggling various software solutions, website builders, email platforms, CRMs, and more. Not only does this cost a lot, but it also creates unnecessary complexity. This free all-in-one marketing software brings everything under one roof. It's designed to help you build professional websites and high-converting sales funnels effortlessly, launch and automate email and SMS campaigns to keep your customers engaged, manage your customer relationships with a built-in CRM that tracks your leads and sales, run an e-commerce store or membership site without the hassle of multiple tools. By consolidating these essential functions, you can save both time and money, allowing you to focus on what really matters, growing your business. Let's dive into some of the top features of this platform. Website and Funnel Builder. Create stunning responsive websites and effective sales funnels with an intuitive drag-and-drop editor. No coding skills required. Email and SMS marketing. Launch powerful, automated campaigns across multiple channels, ensuring your message reaches your audience. CRM integration. Keep all your customer data in one place and automate follow-ups, so you never miss an opportunity. E-commerce and membership capabilities. Sell products, launch online courses, or build a membership site. Everything works seamlessly together. What makes it even more enticing is the risk-free offer. You get full access to all these premium features for an entire year without spending a dime. This isn't just a trial. It's a full year of unrestricted access to an all-in-one marketing solution that can replace multiple expensive tools. No hidden fees, no credit card required, just pure value designed to help you grow your business. If you're ready to simplify your business, cut down on costs, and boost your marketing power, click the link in the description below to sign up and unlock your free 1-year access now. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching. If you found this unlock free, all-in-one marketing software for your business video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what challenges you face with your current marketing tools and how you think this free solution could help. Until next time, keep working smarter, not harder, and here's to unlocking the future of marketing, all for free. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your online business.